I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ginseng type beat. First, set your digital audio workstation's tempo to around 80 to 95 beats per minute. This range provides the perfect relaxed foundation. Next, select your core drum sounds, a punchy kick, a crisp snare, and some tight hi-hats. We will build a simple 4-bar drum loop to establish the main rhythm. Finally, choose a minor key for your melodic elements to capture that signature introspective vibe. Now, let's build the drum pattern. Start by placing your kick drum on the first and third beats of each measure, giving a solid foundation. Your snare drum should hit on the second and fourth beats, creating that essential backbeat. For the hi-hats, program closed hats on every eighth note, varying their velocity slightly to add a natural, human feel. Consider adding an open hi-hat or a subtle percussion sound every 2 or 4 bars to introduce some rhythmic interest. Moving on to the melody and atmosphere. Select a soft, ethereal instrument like a flute, a gentle bell, or a plucked string for your main melodic line. Craft a simple, memorable 4-bar melody using notes from your chosen minor scale. To add depth, layer a warm pad or a subtle synth string in the background, creating a dreamy atmosphere. Don't be afraid to experiment with simple arpeggios or a quiet counter melody to enrich the overall texture of your beat. Finally, let's add the bass line and some finishing touches. Program a simple, deep sub-bass line that primarily follows the root notes of your melodic chords. Ensure this bass is clean and occupies the lower frequencies without sounding muddy. For mixing, apply light compression and equalization to individual tracks to enhance clarity and balance. Lastly, introduce subtle reverb and delay effects to your melodic elements, creating a sense of space and truly enhancing that signature atmospheric, laid-back ginseng vibe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.